A not very well-known brand has just launched an ultra-affordable foldable. It is the Blackview Hero X10. Interestingly, it used the same name that GoPro uses for its camera models. Many go so far as to confuse Blackview with BlackBerry at a quick glance. It seems that foldables are becoming more and more common, and even brands that are not so well known are starting to launch devices like Energizer, or also other brands that are perhaps known in some parts of the world but not so much in others, like Techno. But the particularity of this foldable is that it has a price of 399 euros, that is approximately $430. In Mexico, that would be about 7,300 Mexican pesos. Evidently, being a low-cost foldable, it is going to cut back on some things. So let me tell you about its specifications with speed, since it has the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, which is a good processor for the mid-range. Obviously, not being a Dimensity processor, it doesn't have networking support. Its internal display is 6.9 inches with a central cutout at the top. The resolution is Full HD Plus of 2790 by 1188 pixels. But interestingly, it does go up to 120 Hz in its refresh rate. And obviously, being a foldable display, it is an OLED display. On the other hand, the external display is much simpler, round with 60 Hz of a compact size. But honestly, the design looks original. As you notice, including the camera module, it seems to have an elongated D on that external cover, and on this part is the 108 megapixel main camera with a secondary camera that's probably just for decoration, and on the front we have 32 megapixels. It arrives with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, which is pretty good considering it's a low-cost foldable. Even its cover comes with a faux leather finish, and it comes with Android 13 running Dock OS 3.1. This customization layer, I have never tried it. It's been a long time since I've tried a Blackview device. So far, the truth is that the device looks very good in specs relating to its price, but the weakest point will be the battery. It is a very small battery that is only 2,630 milliamps. Therefore, it is highly likely that this device will have to be constantly charging.